How much is a beer? Yeah.
Domestic would be 12.
12? 12 and 14?
Domestic 12 and 14 for import.
So Modelo's an import? That's 14 bucks. How many ounces is that?
This one's 32.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Okay, now that's the beer price at a typical, you know, just thing on the strip where you just stop and grab a beer, you know, or a drink. Now I want to show you, if you just go literally right across the street, okay, to some of these little souvenir stores with beer in them. You just literally walk across the street, okay? And I'm just gonna do it on the video without cutting it. Okay, and then you walk in here, and they got reasonably priced alcohol in here. But we're just focusing on beer for the moment. Okay. So 32 ounce beer, 14 bucks. Or you can come in here and get 2 for $8. Or if you're going to get Bud Light, you can get 2 25-ounce cans for $7. Okay, so it's just a matter of walking across the street and being smart. Okay, there you go. That's Las Vegas pro tip on drinking beer.